Students, today I am asking you some questions related to tense. First question is, this time tomorrow my friends dash to their hometowns. Options are will travel, will traveling, will be traveling, will have traveling. And the right answer is will be traveling. This time tomorrow my friends will be traveling to their hometowns. Second question is, every day even when it rains heavily, Kaushik dash for a morning walk. Options are going, goes, is gone. And the right answer is goes. Every day even when it rains heavily, Kaushik goes for a morning walk. Next question. At this moment, there's an exercise to review the tenses. Options: I do, I doing, I have done, I am doing. The right answer is I am doing. At this moment, I am doing an exercise to review the tenses. There's Prem in Hyderabad. Question mark. A. Did you meet? B. Have you met? C. Were you meeting? D. Had you met? And the right answer is have you met? Have you met Prem in Hyderabad? Next question. He had a break after he dashed for 2 hours. Options are was walking, had been walking, has walked. And the right answer is walked. He had a break after he walked for 2 hours. He dashed the piano every day. Options: A. Each play. B. Play. C. Each playing. D. Plays. And answer is, the right answer is plays. He plays the piano every day. Now, C dash here for 15 years. A. Have been working, will be worked, has been walking, walked. And the right answer is has been working. C has been working here for 15 days. If dash, take an umbrella with you. It dash, take an umbrella with you. A. Ran. B. Has ran. C. Will be running. D. Is running. And the right answer is running. It is running. Take an umbrella with you. Next question is, Seema dash a new sari yesterday. Options are has bought, B. bought, C. will buy, D. is buying. And the right answer is bought. Seema bought a new sari yesterday. Here yesterday is given. Now, there are some birds that dash every year. A. Migrate. B. Are migrating. C. Has migrated. D. Will migrate. And answer is migrate. There are some birds that migrate every year. Next is, a vegetarian is a person who never dash meat. Is eating, will eat, has eaten, eats. And the right answer is eats. A vegetarian is a person who never eats meat. I fell from the bicycle as I dashed down the slope. Options are am going, was going, have gone, go. And the right answer is was going. I fell from the bicycle as I was down the slope. He dashed at 90 kilometers when the tire got flat. Options are was driving, is driving, drove, has driven. And the answer is was driving. He was driving at 90 kilometers when the tire got flat. Next question is, when I dash at the headmaster's room, he was speaking to someone. A. Am knocking. B. Has knocked. C. Knocked. D. None. And the right answer is knocked. When I knocked at the headmaster's room, he was speaking to someone. Next question is, the thieves dash the money among themselves. A. Divided. B. Has divided. C. Dividing. D. B. Divide. And the right answer is divided. The thieves divided the money among themselves. We dash to walk home as we spent all our money. A. R. B. Got. C. Had. D. Shall have. And the right answer is had. The sun dash a while ago. This rises, will rise, has risen, is rising. A while ago is given, so we have to put has risen. Next question. I dash my training by noon. A. Had completed. B. Completes. C. Have complete. D. None. And the right answer is had completed. I had completed my training by noon. The jury dashes its verdict by noon tomorrow. A. Gives. B. Will have given. C. Will be given. D. Has given. The right answer is B. Will have given. The jury will have given its verdict by noon tomorrow. Now next. The jury dashes its verdict by noon tomorrow. Same question repeated. Okay, now next question. I dash this canvas just now. A. Have finished. B. Finished. C. Will finish. D. Had finished. Here just now is given and we have to write have finished because I is given, so we have to fill have finished. Now next question is, they dash in the laboratory when I arrived. A. Are working. B. Walked. C. Were working. D. Will work. Here we have to put were working because arrived is given. B too, so we have to put were walking. They is given. She dash her uncle every Sunday. A. Will visit. B. Visits. C. Is visiting. D. None. Visits. She visits her uncle every Sunday because every is given, so we have to write. C is third person, we have to fill V5, so V5 is visits. Now, I dash working all afternoon and have just finished the assignment. A. Have been. B. Had been. C. Shall be. D. Am. Here we have to put had been. I had been walking all afternoon and have just finished the assignment. It means we have started our work in past and completed in present. Rohan dashed the movie before he read the review. A. Watches. B. Have watched. C. Had watched. D. Was watching. The right answer is had watched. Rohan had watched the movie before he read the review. It means he have already read. So here we have to fill had watched. He dashed in the States, but he still does not have a command over the English language. A. Have been living. B. Has been living. C. Have lived. D. Living. He has been living in the States, but he still does not have a command over the English language. Every boy and girl dash in the class today. A. Are present. B. Is present. C. Have present. D. Had present. B number is present. Every boy and girl is present in the class today. Every is given. Every boy and girl. Okay, now he does daily for a year now. A. Exercises. B. Have been exercising. C. Has been exercising. D. Was exercising. The right answer is has been exercising. Now I am asking you some questions related to models, and you all have to remind this. Now, question I am asking one by one. The class is dismissed. You dash leave now. A should, B can, C need to, D ought to. The right answer is can. If you are nervous, dash I speak to her. A should, B would, C can, D could. If you are nervous, should I speak to her? Should is the right answer. We dash celebrate often when we live together. A out to, B need to, C used to, D can. The right answer is used to. You dash pay for the damage done. A could, B would, C dare, D must. The right answer is must. You must pay for the damage done. All members dash attend the meeting as per the notice. Can, would, might, should. The right answer is should. There dash be a famous shop here. Used to, should, ought to, would. Here we have to write used to because we are talking about past. I dash have won the tournament. Used to, will, could, dare to. The right answer is could. I could have won the tournament. You dash speak in the library. Must not, dare not, need not, could not. Here must not. It means compulsory. It's time we dash leave. A might, B should, C might have, D could have. The right answer is should. Dash you pass me the salt and pepper. A might, B can, C shall, D ought. The right answer is can. He is the chief guest. He dash be there. Out to, could, might, supposed to. The right answer is out to. How does she do that to us? Would, must, could, shall. The right answer is could. How could she do that to us? We dash always respect our elders. Can, will, should, could. Here we have to fill should, but if must is given, then we have to put must. Now, dash we save money for the party. Would, need, should, dare. The right answer is should. Should we save money for the party? You dash visit them, just make a phone call. Cannot, will, need not, shall not. The right answer is need not. Now I am asking some question related to subject, verb, concurred. You have to check. The teacher dash completed this chapter. Have, has, is, are. The right option is has. The teacher has completed this chapter. Rahul and his friends dash also invited to the party. Is, was, had, were. The right answer is were. Rahul and his friend were also invited to the party. Neither you nor your sister should dash to them. Talk, talks, talked, talking, talk. We have to write talk. Your sister is given, so we have to write here neither you nor your sister should talk. After model, we have to write talk. Now, a pair of socks dash been missing from my wardrobe. Have, has, where, is. We have to write has because a pair is given here. Much dash been said in the news report. A, where, B. Have. C. Has. D. Was. The right answer is has. The information provided to you dash wrong. A. Where. B. Was. C. Are. D. Have been. And the right answer is was. The information provided to you was wrong. Here information is given, so we have to write was. Okay. Either of the two dresses sell dash good. A. Looking. B. Look. C. Looks. D. Looked. The right answer is look. Each and every member dash to vote has, have, having, are. Here each and every member, so we have to write has. A large number of soldiers dash died for the country has, is, are, have, and the right answer is have. Half of the class dash empty where, was, has, have, and the right answer is was. Physics dash difficult to understand where, are, is, have. Here we have to fill is. The quality of food here dash gone down. Have, has, is, are. We are talking about quality, so we have to fill has. My mother along with others dash worried. Where, are, have, was. And the right answer is was. My mother along with others was worried. It means here my mother given, so we have to write was. She does not take a lot of stress. Need, needs, needing, has, need. The right answer is need. She need not take a lot of stress. None of the candidate dash responded. Where, have, has, is. The right answer is have. None of the candidates have responded. He does cooking in his leisure time. Enjoying, enjoys, enjoyed. He enjoys cooking in his leisure time. The book management principles dash quite insightful. Are, is, have, had. Here we have to fill is. $2 dash a small amount. Are, had, have, is. The right answer is. The $2 is a small amount. Politics dash been one of the debatable topics. Is, are, have, had. Here we have to fill had. A series of seminars dash conducted. Was, where, are, have. A series of seminars were conducted. All means of communication dash shut down. Was, had, have, is. All means of communication have shut down. After that we have to discuss about determiners.